To all viewers, these are the switches, the four-wheel switches, which I had shown you in the first video. So now we are going to replace them. I'm going to show you where they are located when they are in the gearbox themselves. So this is the gearbox as you're seeing it. This is the motor which engages the four-wheel. This one. It's a bit dark. The problem is I don't have a torch or light. Yeah. And now we are going to start fixing them one by one. So you have to make sure that you line them, the shorter ones. The shorter ones, the one that have the leads which are short, are the one that go on the right hand side. Going to that one there, so I think you can compare it to this one here. So this one is short, this one here, this swing is short. String is short, like you are seeing. So these ones, they are the one that go on the right hand side, and these ones are the one on the left hand side. The right hand side ones are usually two short ones, and three long ones. The left ones are long. They have the leads which are very long. Now we are going to fix them back and see whether we can solve the problem. It's very hard to see where they are.